Good day, everyone. So, what we're going to discuss today is chi-square test for independence. So, these are the topic that we're going to discuss. The introduction to chi-square test for independence, the assumptions of the chi-square test, using movie in chi-square test for independence, interpreting the results, example research article employing movie tool, and of course, the takeaways of our discussion for today. So, what is the chi-square test for independence? It is a statistical tool used to determine whether there is a significant association between two categorical variables. We are going to use the chi-square test for independence when both variables are categorical. Example, gender, preference, and year level. To find out if one variable affects or is related to one another. For example of this is the example question of this is there a relationship between gender and preferred learning style? So in that question, we can say that it is possible that one variable which is relationship is affected to the other variable which is the relationship and gender is affected by the preferred learning style. In chi-square test for independence, we have these assumptions that need to be met. One of these is the data are in the form of frequencies or count, not percentages. The second one is the observations are independent. Each respondent is counted once. The third one is the sample size should be large enough. Expected frequency in each cell should be at least 5. And the fourth one, or the last one, is the variables are categorical, nominal, or ordinal. So here is the first step using Jamovie. The step one is you need to open your Jamovie and input your data in a frequency table format. So here, yes, you need to open and then these are the data that I selected. The relationship status and the if they are motivated or not. And the second step is go to analysis and then to frequencies, which you can see in this arrow. Tap this one and then go to contingency tables for independent samples. And the jump movie will show you this table. The third step is move your two categorical variables into the rows and columns, which will be shown in this side. You need to move it to the other side. And once again, the table will be shown depending on the action that you did. The step 4 is select chi-square. You need to select chi-square test from the statistics section, and the results will be displayed automatically. So here, this is what we did in this screenshot. We select the chi-square test, and this is the results. This is the table that was shown upon selecting the chi-square test. So in this jam movie, we can see the results in this area. And to summarize that results based on the data that I input, the results show that motivation to work differs by relationship status. Married individuals have the highest number of motivated workers, while those in a complicated relationship show more unmotivated individuals. The chi-square test is significant, indicating that relationship status is related to work motivation. However, the association is weak, meaning that while relationship status has an effect, it is not a strong predictor of motivation to work. Because not just in a relationship that we can be motivated to work. Next is here is the example research article using Jamovie tool. So the title that I got from my research is The Relationship Between Gender and Academic Discipline Preference Among College Students. So this is the research questions that was raised. Is there a significant relationship between gender and chosen academic discipline? So is there the variable relationship between gender and another variable, the chosen academic discipline, are related to each other or not? So that's what we're gonna find out. And the chi-square test for independent variable is very useful when we are raising this kind of questions. So from that, the findings of the research is it revealed a significant association between gender and discipline preference, suggesting that male and female students differ in their choice of academic fields. So here are our takeaways and based on our discussion. The chi-square test for independence helps determine if two categorical variables are related. Second, it is not parametric, meaning it doesn't assume a normal distribution. Third, takeaway is ensure that data assumptions are met before conducting the test. So we have the assumptions that need to be met. But if you did not meet that kind of assumptions, then do not use this tool. The fourth takeaway is use software like Jamovie for quick and accurate computation. And the last one is this tool is widely used in education, psychology, and social sciences to study relationship between groups. And that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learn and I made it easy for you to understand. Thank you very much.